This teacher told her students with the lowest grades to hype a song for the highest grade students as it is their favorite song. And you won't believe what the last student did.
Today, and to level the playing field, the 3 students with the lowest grades are choosing the hype song for the students with the 3 highest grades. And remember, no matter what the hype song is, you have to act like it is your favorite song in the entire world. Up first, Everdeen K. Alright, next, Hawthorne G. Oh yeah!